to the surface. Are you coming off of the cloud yet?
Yes.
What do you see down there below you?
Water.
Water.
Big ocean.
Okay.
I just got into water.
In the water. Okay.
I'm floating. I see different sea animals,
Okay.
especially the horsefish. They're asking me to come with them
Okay. Under the water.
on the water.
Okay.
I go deep.
Okay.
Somehow I can breathe.
Okay. That's pretty neat.
I am following them.
Mm-hmm.
It's a group of them.
Okay.
I can understand as you come.
Okay. Do they talk to you at all?
They just say, follow me.
Okay. And you feel safe to follow them?
I feel safe.
Okay.
I feel like I'm going to different ribs, colors.
Uh-huh.
I stopped.
You stop moving or swimming?
I stopped moving.
Okay.
Now I'm supposed to wait for someone.
Okay. Are there any other animals around where you are?
On the far left, I see like sharks going around. On my right side, octopus just floating around,
Mhm.
doing their own thing. And then now I feel that I'm in the middle of a big herd of fish.
Okay.
They're all going around, like I'm in the middle.
Mhm.
They're going around me.
Okay. Are they big fish or little?
They're
Or
small,
small?
smaller, yes.
Okay. Smaller than you.
They're smaller than me, yes, but there are a lot going around me.
Okay.
They're silver-like color.
Okay.
I guess. Do not know. No, I don't know.
Okay.
They're all around me.
And there's lots of them.
Lots of them.
Okay.
And I suddenly see a light coming out of me. Big, big light, like I am like a trench, like the trench of. Have you seen the figure of Poseidon? Zeus,
Mm-hmm.
Zeus,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and I'm like this, and I'm getting so much light
Okay.
from the middle and everything from here, my head.
Mm-hmm.
There is so much light going up,
Mm-hmm.
like bright light.
Mm-hmm. Do you have a physical body?
I see myself. Wait, now I see myself. I have fins.
Okay.
My legs are fins.
Okay. One big fin or two?
Like
Multiple fins?
one big fin.
Okay. Okay. What color?
It's kind of like a bluish with dark grayish color.
Okay.
And I'm moving.
Okay.
But then okay. I stopped. Now see a big whale coming. Hello. Yes. How can I help you? Thank you. Talking to the whale.
Okay. Are they asking for your assistance?
They are thankful for the light.
Oh, okay. The light that you're giving, that you're shining.
Yes, thank you. You're welcome. I am here to help any creature
Mhm.
of the sea, because you were primarily here on this earth. And you're very intelligent. And it's my pleasure to come and help for the best of planet Earth. Dolphins,
Mhm.
beautiful creatures, very smart,
Mhm.
very spiritual, advanced,
Mhm.
planted on this planet to help with other sea animals.
Hmm.
You're very loving. Octopus, very smart, very smart creatures. All of it. I feel all around. Fish are going all around me again.
Mhm.
Feeling thankful. They know that this is beautiful. I am coming out of the water, going up to the sky,
Mhm.
moving really fast.
Okay.
Coming out of the planet,
Okay. Are you
going fast, moving fast, going to somewhere.
okay? Are you still in fish form?
I
Dolphin
still
form?
have my fin,
Fins?
yes, but
Okay.
I'm going moving out in the air
Okay.
and the space. I see the planet Earth below me.
Okay.
Where am I going? I'm looking now. I can see the sun,
Mhm.
the planets around,
Mhm.
and I'm looking in a big perspective, like a bird's view
Mhm.
of all these planets
Mhm.
and the sun in the middle,
Mhm.
like a big conscious. I don't have my figure anymore, my fins.
Mhm.
I'm like a big eye,
Hmm.
big eye looking, big eye.
Mhm. Can you see this solar system only, or can you see other solar systems as well?
I can only see this one here.
Okay.
Like I'm the watcher.
Mhm.
I am looking after.
Hmm. Okay.
So I'm just looking.
Mhm. Do you have a purpose other than to look and to watch? Is there something specific that you're looking or watching for?
Trying to keep harmony.
Harmony. Okay. How do you do that? How do you see where there is harmony or disharmony?
I see there is harmony where there is a lot of green, there's a lot of water,
Hmm.
animals being at peace, at ease. Disharmony with factories polluting the air,
Hmm.
the smoke, black smokes coming out,
Hmm.
waters being polluted.
Hmm.
That's disharmony.
Hmm.
I try to help encourage energetically with what I can to help to keep the harmony going.
Hmm.
And the animals sense that.
Mm. All animals can sense that.
All animals, and the water on the air,
Hmm.
birds, earth,
Hmm.
earth animals as well.
Hmm.
Some pets can also feel that.
Okay.
The pets that are mostly close to humans are losing that sense, but the wild can sense that.
Hmm. So you send messages to them energetically.
Yes,
Okay. And when they're in the wild, they are able to receive your messages.
yes.
Okay. And they know what to do with them.
They go around and spread that energy.
Okay.
They get the energy, and wherever they go, they spread it somehow to different plants, to different animals.
Hmm.
It's kind of like, I don't want to call it disease, but it's kind of like multiplies. Like there is someone here,
Hmm.
and energy goes. Like if one animal didn't get it, if the one animal goes next to it, it will attract that energy, and then it moves. It
Okay.
moves around to
Okay.
the plants, the trees.
Uh-huh.
Same with the ocean.
Uh-huh.
That's why they were around me.
The
They
fish.
were getting all the energy so they can go spread it.
Okay. That's why they were happy.
Yes.
Okay.
So they knew, in a way, who I was.
Hmm.
No, not as a bigger being or like a higher being, but equal. But but they know that I can give that to them.
Hmm.
I don't feel above them. We're all equal.
Right. Okay. So they could sense that in you.
Yes.
Okay. And they received the energy that they needed, and then when they swim away, they take that with them
Correct.
to where they go.
Yes.
Okay.
That helps to clean the ocean as well.
Oh, okay.
It clears the bad
Uh-huh.
toxins and that they get from all the human waste.
Okay. Okay. And do you do this for Earth only, or do you do this for all of the planets within this system that you can see?
Right now, I'm being told to be here, just to planet Earth.
For Earth. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Is there a specific reason why you're here just for Earth right now?
Um, I've been here for many, many, many millenniums.
Hmm.
But lately seems that we need more help.
Mm-hmm.
1990. Ever since 1990, that year,
Mm-hmm.
I've been more often coming.
Okay.
1990, yes.
1990.
Now, Mother Earth is communicating, saying thank you to me for
Mm-hmm.
helping to do this transition that she's going through.
Oh, that's nice. Okay.
She is a very loving being
Mm-hmm.
in a way, planet,
Mm-hmm.
and it's very exciting for her to do this transition. And it's funny, I felt that she's kind of like nervous and at the same time happy that this is happening to her.
Mm-hmm. What is the transition that's happening? Can you tell me more about that?
Transition is happening where she's developing, or she's getting like a higher vibrations, like transmuting to a more peaceful and harmonized in her like a human body, but like more, the vibration is more like happier, kind of like a snake leaving the old shell, the old skin,
Mm-hmm.
and then it's getting like a new, it's very nice and shiny and beautiful,
Mm-hmm.
more like a new beginning kind of thing, like a rebirth.
Okay.
So she feels like she's kind of like getting rid of the old skin in a way,
Mm-hmm.
and this part is not as beautiful as this other part. This one is more like nice and blue and round, and it feels like very shiny.
Mm-hmm.
This one not as much, but it's like the new beginning,
Okay.
is rebirth to 2027. 2027
Mm-hmm.
looks like is the completion.
Oh, so in 2027,
2027.
the transition will be done?
I got the number, yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. And during this time, Mother Earth will have
Yes.
lots of changes.
Yes.
Okay.
For good.
For good. Okay. Will everyone who is on Earth right now be impacted by the changes?
I cannot say that at this time,
Okay.
but some yes, some no.
Okay.
Gio's mind is getting into saying that because of what he's heard before, but we're working on that.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Why is there a feeling of anxiousness for Mother Earth?
She's never done this before. This
Oh,
is the first time
okay.
at this level.
Okay.
Yes, before she transformed and she was growing and pains and things and that, but this time it's different.
Mhm.
Before it was just molding herself, getting to know herself
Mhm.
in a way. There were changes in earth, cold, different different movements, different changes in earth.
Mhm.
But it was just like molding, like getting to be comfortable.
Mhm.
But now it's like coming out like new, shiny, and rebirth
Mhm.
kind of thing.
Okay. So this type of change has never been done before.
Not this big, not this one, no.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think I'd be a little nervous too.
Yes,
Maybe
yes,
excited.
yes.
Yeah. Okay. Are there other, well, are you aware of any other planets like Earth where a change like this has happened?
Mm, Tagarus, Andromedan, something similar.
Okay.
Didn't quite go the same.
Okay.
Tagarum, Andromedan system.
Okay. And have you worked with or watched after other transitions such as this, but just for other planets?
Trying. Yes and no.
Okay.
I witnessed, but I wasn't looking after like this one.
Okay. So not the same role.
Not the same, yes.
Okay. Okay.
I witnessed different galaxies developed
Oh wow.
far, 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 far.
Uh-huh.
But that's about it. I was not looking after us this magnificent piece of art, I guess you
Mhm.
would call,
Mhm. Okay.
like planet Earth.
Mhm. Did you were assigned to planet Earth?
I felt like I was told, but I was like, yes, chose to kind of thing.
Mhm.
It's hard to say because it's kind of like my job.
Okay.
I like it. My assignment. There you go. My assignment. That's the word that came from. That came. My assignment is my assignment.
Okay.
It was told to me that it was my assignment,
Mhm.
and yes, I feel like this is kind of like my first assignment.
Oh, that's a big first assignment.
Yes, but I'm capable of taking care of it.
Mhm.
I guess my previous experiences helped somehow.
Mhm.
Yes.
Are there others like you that have the responsibility to watch over a planet or more than one planet?
Yes, there are others.
Okay. Are there many others?
Um, it's funny because I see different ones. Like there is one person here, not a person. It's like a energetic conscious. Yes, energetic consciousness is big
Mhm.
and is taking care of 1, 2, 3 galaxies.
Mm. Okay.
So this is like a bigger picture. And there's this other one that I see on this side is a bit a different, and it's only taking care of one galaxy, which is it a galaxy or yes, one galaxy right
Oh,
here.
okay.
And right here, this other person, not a person conscious, looking after two. and I can see if I look up that way, like if I open my field like 360,
Mhm.
yes, there are many and different scales, different. Some of them just yes, a planet, two like bigger, smaller.
Mhm.
Me is just right here.
Mhm.
Focus on one thing.
Mhm. Mhm.
I guess this is like big. This is like a big project for one planet compared to this other guy here taking care of the 2 3 galaxies,
Mhm.
because this is a big change
Mhm.
that eventually will affect these other galaxies and planet. I
Right.
can see the vibes going to different places. It's all connected, all connected.
Oh, okay. So the changes that happen on Earth will.
Affect other planets
Okay.
and galaxies as well.
Okay. Okay. And so you said that you're responsible for the harmony and disharmony on Earth.
Yes,
The others that are like you that
yes.
are looking after the different galaxies, are they also looking for harmony and disharmony, or do they look for different things?
They look for development. Some of them trying to develop or to helping develop the planet.
Uh-huh.
Some of them are yes, harmony on the galaxies.
Uh-huh.
Most of them are harmonious, and there are some little planets here and there that need some help,
Uh-huh.
such like planet Earth,
Uh-huh.
in a different way, different energies, not the same way. It's smaller scales,
Uh-huh.
but this is planet Earth is like bigger scale, and yes,
Okay. And how does the information get transmitted to the other planets and galaxies? Do you know? You said you described
vibrations, yeah,
vibrations. Okay.
vibrations. It came to me. It came to me an image of a movie Avatar
Uh-huh.
when they are all together and there is this white thing connecting to everybody.
Uh-huh.
Kind of like that. It's like a connection to like vibration, but it's seamless to the human eyes, but it's connected
Okay.
somehow.
Okay. So that vibration gets pushed out, and then the
Yes,
other planets and galaxies receive the vibration, and then they interpret that energy.
correct.
Okay. 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 Does does Earth receive information from the other planets and galaxies about the changes that she is going through?
She gets encouraged from other planets.
Oh, encouraged.
She
Okay.
gets encouraged, yes.
Okay.
And as far as as far as the energy, she gets encouraged from the whole planet itself, but as well you have the beings living in those planets,
Hmm.
and they helped, like they are well connected to their planet, that they have that communication, and sometimes they have sent these beings to planet Earth to help. For instance, uh, the planet Earth has chakras, so they these other beings from these other planets that were more advanced
Hmm.
came and helped Mother Earth to develop that, or to unblock, let's say,
Hmm.
unblock the chakras of Mother Earth. Like some of them, I can see the picture of the pyramids
Hmm.
of Egypt and different around. it's like inside, like there is like a line, and there is like the chakras of the earth.
Mhm.
So what they came, they get encouraged from the planet, but they also come physically, in a way, physically to help and build this in order to help and develop or unblock the chakras of the earth,
Mhm.
and as well as the humans.
Mhm.
They come and help us.
Is that something that was happening in the past, or does that
Yes,
happen now?
it happened in the past.
In
Yes,
the past. Okay.
yes, and also that's when she was like molding to find herself.
Okay.
Yes,
So they were helping to unblock,
correct.
and then when Mother Earth was feeling more room because she was unblocked, then she
Yes,
started being able to mold and shift.
yes, and then she
Okay.
started to get in
Okay.
live human lives, and that's they at the same time helping building all the process.
Uh-huh. So okay. So I want to get a sense of the time, because you
Hmm.
said human life, so that means this was a long, like millions of years ago.
Yes,
Okay.
is when recently, recently starting, and then years later when she was after built,
Hmm.
and it was in a form where she was more comfortable,
Hmm.
then in order for her to develop more like life as far as like human beings, I guess,
Hmm.
other beings came to help and teach and
Okay.
build this to help keeping this chakras moving in a way. Like,
Okay.
I guess in a way, it was kind of like blocked in a way, but then they came and helped to do that.
Okay. Where where are the chakras in the earth? Do you know where they are?
I get images, kind of somewhere in England,
Hmm.
Egypt,
Hmm.
India, and the bottom Atlantica.
Oh,
No,
okay.
no.
No?
What's the name? On the bottom.
Somewhere in
Yes,
the bottom.
yes,
Okay. 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 So those are the areas where the other beings have provided some assistance to Mother Earth.
yes.
Okay. D- d- um, do the Earth chakras get blocked now?
Mm, right now, they are okay.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, they are okay. At one point in India, a little bit, but they are okay now.
Mhm. What do you know? Could you describe to me what happens when one of Earth's chakras gets blocked?
Disharmony.
That's the disharmony.
Yeah, a little bit of
Okay.
disharmony.
Okay.
When that happens, um, there's kind of like sort of war
Mm.
kind of thing
Mm-hmm.
between the humans.
Mm-hmm.
That's how I see it. Yes,
Okay. And then that's when you would send the energy because there's disharmony.
correct.
Okay. And you send it to the humans and the animals and the plants and
Yeah, mostly animals.
most
Yes,
of the animals.
yes.
Okay. When you send it to the animals, how do the humans respond? Or are they able to respond?
They don't consciously know.
Okay.
Unconsciously, they do
Uh-huh.
feel. Yes.
Okay.
And especially older population, I see them, they are more closer, especially to birds.
Okay.
And unconsciously, they know humans, they're older, so they place food for the birds. They come,
Uh-huh.
and that's how they humans get that. And they keep doing that because they feel that energy unconsciously.
Uh-huh.
And I see my mother doing that
Oh,
as a
okay.
Geo's mother.
Uh-huh.
It's funny.
Okay. So she's working with the birds or
Yeah,
receiving information.
she I can see the birds make her happy.
Okay.
So that kind of way.
Okay. Okay. So it's just
It's just the vibe, yes, the vibe, the light.
yeah, it's basically it shifts the vibration of the human.
Correct, yes. It
So
helps, yes.
unconsciously they know, but
Yes.
consciously they might just feel happier.
Yes, that is correct.
But they
yes.
don't know why.
That is correct.
Okay. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. And then when the humans have that feeling,
Mm-hmm.
then it helps
Help
with
to
Mother
shift.
Earth.
Correct.
It helps the shift.
Uh-huh.
Okay. 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 So everyone eventually feels the shift
Correct.
because they feel
Yeah,
more
that's
harmony and
yeah,
happier.
that's one of the jobs. There are others that do different jobs,
Uh-huh.
and it's telling me not to tell you now.
Okay.
But there are others that do different kind of jobs, so where they work they're very similar, very similar.
Okay.
Their humans are being planted here, and they have the same effect,
Okay.
and they do the same effect to people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's very interesting. Okay. Is there anything that um that Mother Earth needs?
She needs love,
Love.
tenderness, love,
Okay.
love.
Okay. And is that just above ground for the humans, or is that in the water? Is that in like below the ground in the layers of the earth? Is that everywhere or just some places?
Where she needs love,
Mhm.
love in general.
Okay, just in general.
There's I know the oceans, the animals in the ocean, they already have love.
Mhm.
They already, so she's okay there.
Mhm.
In the middle, she's love. Humans needs more respect from the humans,
Okay.
more understanding, more love,
Mhm.
mm, to be aware of how beautiful she is.
Okay.
Because she's here just to provide,
Mhm.
but people needs to be more understanding and more respecting and more and acknowledge there you go, acknowledge the
Mhm.
fact that she's providing for us,
Mhm.
and we need to thank her. We need to be more grateful
Mhm.
to her.
Okay.
Basically that's what she's basically that's what it is.
Why why is the love higher in the water than it is on the land?
There is no greed from humans in the water. There's
Okay.
no that energy between animals.
Mhm.
They are more oriented to live in peace
Mhm.
and with each other. Of course, it follows certain things where certain eat each other, but there is a reason why
Mm-hmm.
they have that. It's more like a natural path
Mm-hmm.
where on Earth, there's more like anger, jealousy type of energies between humans,
Mm-hmm.
and some create war and create this harmony.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I know there is water, some rivers getting pollution,
Mm-hmm.
but the energy that I've been helping with helps to eliminate that sort of energy. So it's more pure and more harmonious in the ocean.
Mm-hmm.
That is why people likes to go to the beach,
Mm-hmm.
because they feel that harmony energy
Mm-hmm.
that provides Mother Earth.
Mm-hmm.
That's why people likes to go and sit there,
Mm-hmm.
because unconsciously getting good energy.
Mm-hmm. That makes sense. Okay. I do like the beach.
Yeah.
Okay. Was it known? I don't know if this is an appropriate question, but was it known that humans would treat Mother Earth this way?
It was not known. It was a trial.
Okay.
Um, and unfortunately, other beings came along
Mm-hmm.
with that sense of energy.
Mm-hmm.
Humans learn fast,
Mm-hmm.
and that energy is, in a way, is faster. So that created a conflict.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So it was it was it was by surprise. Actually, it wasn't planned or anything like that. It was just a surprise that happened.
Mm-hmm.
We saw it happening at one point long time ago.
Mm-hmm.
Start over, but we need to let go, let it be, help as much as we can, and hope for the best, I guess. But we know Mother Earth is so wonderful and so powerful that I can see it coming out of this shelf and being nice and beautiful
Mm-hmm.
and shiny. 2027 again.
Okay. Yeah,
That number came back to me again.
that's the transition that's going to happen.
Correct.
Okay. Okay.
Energetically, energetic, energetic, energetic. How can I say it? Energetically,
Uh-huh.
something like
That's that the shift is
that.
energetic.
Yeah.
Okay. 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 Is there anything what do you do next after you see the transition for the earth? Do you stay with the earth or do you go to a different assignment?
I get like a big happiness. Yes, we did it. After that, whatever I choose to do,
Uh-huh.
I feel like I graduate and go to a different job,
Okay.
like a bigger assignment, or
Uh-huh.
more like a um, I'm getting like there is some other galaxies forming, so I will take care of that after.
Oh, okay.
I can see this is like, okay, we're gonna need taking care of this bird right here.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that's the sense that I get.
Okay. So you get a upgrade, you get a promotion.
Kind of thing, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That's exciting.
Hmm.
Okay. Is there and you stay kind of in consciousness form. That doesn't
Yes.
change.
Yes. It does. Yeah, I don't have a form specifically unless I want to, like I did with art.
Mhm.
I convert into this figure of, I see myself with fins, like kind of like the movie. What's the name of the movie? Aquaman.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of like that.
Okay.
But I am myself the big, I don't know, energetic, but then the fish and at the same time. I don't know. It's weird to explain.
Mm-hmm.
Unless I need to do that to come to the planet and help from the physical. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
From the inside out.
Okay.
Like,
Okay.
first I'm like overlooking like
Uh-huh.
this. But then if I need to go integrate and go inside the planet, like what I did with the fish in the water,
Mm-hmm.
and give all this energy light,
Mm-hmm.
and then just go out.
Mm-hmm. And when you were in the water with the fins,
Hmm.
did you were you in did you have 100% fish body, or were you
I
part
feel like
something else?
part from here down,
Uh-huh.
and then here I feel like I have my hands to do this,
Okay.
create, and then my hair was long,
Long hair. Okay.
and then but my hair will give the same, like the light, big light, like coming out like
Okay. And the light was coming from kind of the upper body, the
upper body.
head.
Yes.
Okay. 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 And then you come down any when it's needed,
Correct.
and then you just go back.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. Well, it's nice to be able to have that option to do that.
Yes. It's quite grateful.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay.
Wonderful.
Is there anything that you want to share, or any um, information that you have not already discussed?
Not at this moment. Uh, we have to be thankful for humans, especially
Mhm.
for all these other beings that are watching and helping
Mm,
us to develop
mhm,
for the transformation.
mm,
We have to acknowledge them because they are there. I know many humans don't know this,
mm,
but the ones we know, we have to be thankful for
mhm,
these beings that are here on the etheric. On some have already shape shifting in a way.
mhm,
They can do both, like I did
mhm,
earlier.
mhm,
But they're more like human hybrids, I guess. And we have to thank them because they are doing a great job.
mm,
Um, just be grateful for all the beautiful things that we have. Mother Earth is so beautiful. It's so, so beautiful.
mhm,
And I can see it through Gio's eyes. It's just wonderful, wonderful sceneries everywhere. But the way he perceives it. But yeah, just keep doing what we're doing. Keep doing, keep being grateful to Mother Earth and all the beings out there,
mhm,
and the good humans, good, very, very good humans that are helping.
mhm,
And some of them, they don't know, but they're unconsciously working as well.
Hmm.
Just we have to be grateful
Okay.
for that. Yes.
Is there anything that, because I know you said that the animals in the sea and then the animals that are in the wild, they kind of pass the information to humans.
Mm.
Is there any way for humans to get more connected to the animals, or any way that they can more easily receive the information from the animals?
Just get out there, respect,
Uh-huh.
don't scare them, don't
Okay.
kill them.
Yeah. No. Okay.
Uh, I'm getting this where, okay, some, especially fish, I don't know, I'm just getting this information now, especially fish
Hmm.
that are consumed by the humans are getting that energy as well, uh, until a certain point.
Hmm.
Uh, so that's how, because of course it's hard for humans to get in the water.
Hmm.
So the way is being built or is being developed or is being done is where fish, even after they're dead, they still carry this energy.
Huh.
And if this is consumed by humans, they get some of that as well. It's not the same as when you are in the water
Hmm.
with close, with them.
Hmm.
It's not the same intensity,
Hmm.
but you still get some of that
Okay.
energy.
Okay.
Right now, I got so much light.
Okay. So there's a benefit to eating fish.
Correct.
Okay. And they don't mind us eating them?
No, they're actually happy, believe it or not. Some of them are really actually happy there, and they are, and it's the same thing. It's kind of like they are. It's kind of like their job in a way. Like they are here to do that. Like, okay, I'm here um to, in a way, unconsciously they know they're here to work on that, so
Uh-huh.
they'll help the humans to do that in a
Okay.
way. Like this is their job to do that, so they are like, okay, I'm here for this and help for the energy.
Hmm.
It's kind of like my job, like, I'm taking care of this.
Hmm.
It's the same thing with them. I'm getting the energy, I'm here to share it,
Okay.
so they know and they're okay with it.
Okay.
They are okay giving that energy.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, that's nice.
Yes, with the animals on Earth, it's a little bit different.
Hmm.
I'm getting the sense where, yes, we eat some,
Hmm.
we don't get as much.
Hmm.
So it's better, to keep them nearby, but respect them and thank them.
Hmm.
I'm getting a sense of when, deers come around, just let them be, and they're giving you some of that.
Hmm.
Birds, I see a lot of birds. Birds, I feel like, are more because they have the potential to go anywhere,
Hmm.
and they bring the herbs. They go all around. They spread that energy in the air,
Hmm.
and that's how the humans get up that way too.
Okay.
And when they close by, of course. But I feel like the birds are the ones that spread more,
Hmm.
especially on above the sea.
Okay. Yeah, because they can go anywhere they
They
want.
can go anywhere. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
I see butterflies too. Interesting.
Oh, butterflies.
Yes, I got the butterflies.
Yeah.
Yes.
Even though they start off as caterpillars.
Yes. Interesting.
Okay.
Hmm. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Is there any concern for for the animals? I know some people think that certain animals are going extinct. Is that something that we need to be concerned about with this transition? Just with them not being here, since you are sending the information to them and then they spread the information out, the energy?
Mm, the animals, they go through different transitions,
Okay.
and as nature, they, in a way, some of the animals just won't be here. They will evolve in a way to a different kind of animal.
Mhm.
But we still gonna get, or we'll get new species.
Mhm.
Like especially in the ocean, we get like a lot species that some humans don't even know. But on Earth, I see cloning, but it's not natural.
Mhm.
Uh, but mhm, I cannot see that.
Okay.
I feel that we need to respect them. And keeping them, yes, some need help, some don't. But when we help an animal, we keep them near us. They are there to evolve, meaning they're evolving to a different, the soul of this animal is evolving to more human-like
Mhm.
soul. So that's why I guess it's permitted or it's okay, like to keep them in captivity, I guess, to save them for extinction.
Mhm.
But we just need to be nice. We just need to be nice to them.
Mhm.
We just
Mhm.
need to be, let them do their course. Let them do their course, because it's just how it was meant to be,
Mhm.
in a way. I know we care. Some people are afraid of certain species, but yes, you can do something about it. But if you encounter these specific animals, yes, it's because it was meant to be, and it was meant for this animal to evolve,
Mm. Okay.
spiritually wise.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. 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 Is there anything else that you would like to share?
Not at this moment.
Okay.